Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Welcomer bot. Firstly, click on the custom event builder icon when you go to the Discord bot platform with custom event builder. A prompt will appear, select custom event. From the drop-down, choose when a new user joins the server. This event triggers whenever a new member joins. On the right panel, enter an event nickname. This is just for your reference and won't be visible to users. Now, go to the left side Actions tab and drag and drop the Send a Message to a Channel block into the event flow. Connect it to the main yellow block. Leave it as a plain text for simplicity and write your welcome message. You can include Welcome to the server. Choose the channel where the welcome message will be posted, then click Save in the top right. Now, each time someone joins your server, your bot will greet them. Like, hey, user, welcome to the chill zone, for example, make yourself at home. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.